At the University of Tennessee College of Dentistry here in Memphis, Tennessee, our objective is to do good surgery. Whether it's a patient that has been involved in a motor vehicle accident or has had facial trauma, one of the most gratifying parts of being an oral maxillofacial surgeon is to have a good outcome. 3D printing has truthfully been a game changer for us. And we couldn't imagine practicing surgery without the EnvisionTEC Vector. It allowed us to print large-scale biomodels that allowed us to do what we would typically do in the operating room, but yet do it virtually on the desktop and get that done in a very short period of time, get everything exactly like we want, and then submit that to the printer to print it as a 3D bio model that we could hold in our hand, do our planning, and get our plates bent and ready for the operating room, and go to the case with pre-bent, basically customized plates, and save hours on the length of the duration of the case, saving the patient money, reduce the OR time, thus reducing the risk to the patient.
When you're in the operating room, there's tissue, blood, irrigation. Lighting's not always great, but when you have just a bony model on your desk, you can see every little piece that you could desire. It's a better result in the end, and because the patient is not open as long on the OR table, they tend to recover quicker as well.
We want to embrace any technology that will allow us to have the best outcome possible for our patients. So we feel that embracing the EnvisionTEC Vector has helped us gain the ability to do just that.